Right, fantastic morning. I was yes, I'm Wakwaba. I'm not sure some cost a good deal on some Dawson. Yes, a fata sautini, the Bribema Quine, Achini Kufu, na Yadi Abro, GamePackGames.com. I'm okay on your day, but Game Pack, pick one and pick 4 games. Somebody about drama and shows and go for this can bottom. Nchene ya woda ye no fiti kwasieda de bia wotimi this card go bottom and upon on kron we are non to me no. And of course, and you met no see draw no your back so Adom TV to channel so for my now copy more code na star 946 hash na Play Store App Store download the Game Pack Games app na kwa bia so don wajima diska e dia go bottom and of course Kingdom Herbal Center or the Kingdom Jensen Power Capsules Kingdom tremendous capsules so I can one up na there some dear bro Kingdom Home Estate to pedan to Kingdom Home Estate na say only more edi and so and na pay kejuana kasane Eric Asiedu Bwedi now ebesha say they free the English Premiership and Sunny Adenes Wakwe no ahead of another game so no na 1 point and Liverpool and our team actually Luton abo Luton Caban Nayama Luton team back Liverpool a stretch lead no our table no so nya sam keto akra yen kosa game no mo is right man no Sunny and Yamanasi akwa 60 points at the Liverpool and of course Man City tossed me with 56 points. Let them say 4 points now, but demo but a game. A game more than City and of course Arsenal. Tiabes and EPL no boko na nim na besi akwakwe enfio na nkopimo of the UEFA Champions League and rapeni behwe na FC Porto ni Arsenal last minute na omobo sa win no against Arsenal na face no Barcelona so jina national Napoli about 1-1 on right games no yemongre mo hwade. FC Porto last minute now prejas abonde to me for ye GamePackGames.com and me can for them on pay say for hu gym diska for go Porto mo na enfio ne copy mo once and from na se fi and I about the Black Queens of Ghana idachna or the Accra Sports Stadium Ghana and Zambia at the Pim so one of the countries so more bomb de ma football mo Zambia Nora Haptel ne maba wano ade samotugwa so my ready some bebojuma yes Nora Haptel ne
and your mum says, in Abbey, one more share nimu sochina, upon num, our Accra Sports Stadium, Omon Zambia, my eye, the Beboso. Near should be a bedding kunim, Nafe Paris, a quentiono, Yamaba could take it, Manako Piamubi, a Black Queens, and our watching him, Omon Semna Baby. A funny bonus, be a camu, and send be sansu in tia. Nature say, send penny farmer one. I can't see Omone Zambia Kobono, Omonquako Pamanoso. Now so endo anajo, and Tiene say Oswafu Asha good name Mebunuso, Yusuf Mustafa, and a GFA president, Kate Akraku, Ekupie, Hotel, Mayaneda, Omni Omoko Kasaye, Mami Nora Hamto, Yaya Trene, Adima Black Queens, no? Onoswa Jatumua, war catching penny for say, the also Muyebi, Omonyama Mayai, Senebaya. Olympic Games akontu my Ghana yamaya na prano ebredi kan kura yenko piemu ho eduntie ne omo nkwago pamaso nkotentre omapom omo nante edi nuane a mu oha kakra afei niama kakra aka no omo kose dem ne de kwasi boni beka no tactical approach no omo coach Nora Hamtel edi amawo anti Black Queens ene Zambia kensie no GF impeni for say omo bia gro pamane de ato omo nyiteku anasa dama obi bia mesha gro pamane so a etete mu odene no emaya yedi ama
right Black Queens of Ghana here wish them well omo game omo de pem so at 5 p.m. now 2 weeks and aka na the Africa version of the Olympic Games. There's Africa Games a bastard and then the Nyasam Keto Accra Ghana ye hosted Legon one of the venues to be hosting games then the drona Sergio Manucha Badwam report saying Legon Stadium no city
ena anwa ye be piago pamaisui na aka akra ena mpedifo se omowie omo de ose ayoyo a de na Ghana fo nyina su any Titan tracks no mo fa meshe biaye ho no na America say na wotwe menu ntam na African Games ya hyase a o my Ghana ha ebe de pa Legon Sports Stadium dwumadi ahodo bebre na ebeba so a enye bobo nko a ene ya America say Titan tracks no mpenifuo twa ya omo hwe ni mu se fiada omawie bibia na ye ho nko a emiai bebre na mpenifuo wie okọ VIP lounge a emu da ho afi bebi a omo bedwade bebi a omo begya omo nan dressing room bebi a media fortna ene mbia bebre ye wo legun agro pama no so no mpenifuo asiesie hwawie a wo mo hwe ni mu se kakra aka no na wotwe ebesimu no omo de ni nyina beka ho na bano mpenifuo boho adwuma no kire se Ghana fo aso power mpa na mum omudika ekopem se ena anu aye tu dwumadie ni share da no omogi tum so mbeye ntie ne aka na wotwe mienu na dwumadie na duru ho no mu a Titan Tracks no omoye ne ntem ne bono a omama nkofo omutum de kana ba begina so atum de kakra ne ahwe se ho no aye kradoa.
We are almost there. The competition starts on the 8th of March. As you can see, we're doing basically the finishing touches, mainly the final clean. We are doing the marking of the lines. So basically by next week, we will be finished with everything that needs to be finished. In fact, we've scheduled 23rd, which is Friday, as the official taking over date. That the client, that's the employer, the consultants, all stakeholders will come around and do the final inspection. So we have 23rd of this month as the taking over date. Once that is done, it means that we are ready. We're ready to roll.
Right, very beautiful, very, very beautiful. I be here say I ain't failure. Ni amay home be 1 year. I see we are sana be ya. Zagana de jumudi. I ni kama si no. I feel ba toss be call na ho kan. My goodness, the Ghana Communications Technology University. So our commission woman new sports complex. I was school more and I'm de someone to just second be so more say Badwam sports was our school so it's my fun to my party fra Bernard Paddy Boyemu.
Ghana Communication Technology University and EPA multi-purpose sports complex wedi ewo school mu a na enye fedi agrokra na complex yi astroturf ewo volleyball netball sansona basketball and afenso hockey enyina ewo mu na dwumedi na se no mpemfo dodo na ede onimonyam ebeta dwumedi na chi vice chancellor Edema Chiapon Ura Professor Emmanuel Ohene Afokwa edin semwe etuja.
So as I said, this is Ghana Communication Technology University, and we are here cut a tape to officially commission a project that we started for the students' use, and that is a multi-purpose sports complex. So we decided to put up this sports complex for the students, as students within the university, because as our students' number grow, we need to ensure that we give them a befitting place that they will be able to meet and play football, volleyball, handball, and basketball, and all the other sports. The project is ready, that the student can immediately start using the facility to the benefit of themselves and the institution.
We are and the SRC president, and so EDC etuja.
Actually, the main benefit of this AstroTurf and this multi-purpose court is actually to help students, because when it comes to mostly this technical or technology-based universities, most of the gender that come in is the males. Like we have most of the male coming in to actually apply for the school and all that. And these are some of the things that they actually engage themselves in.
Wow, and so the copy more on na buzia enyasem keto akra na meka power capsules wansam area shower Kingdom Jensen power capsules mema drone no tremendous capsules e ma oba why oba sima, and of course copy mo our Kingdom home estate e ho na open dan to I say oni omudi ensawoso Kingdom for can one pay near the agudi mun sama dear brawana okopie mo our gamepackgames.com I pick 1 pick 4 pick 1 number now pick 4 numbers no we discuss idea go botomo *946# and I say program gamepackgames.com and I say call Play Store and App Store na kwambia so no akwa download the app na abrina baby atibia utimi twa na bibia atimi akoye manyaneti anopoye live Noda Hotel okumase Noda Hotel okumase hona Black Stars players in sports for no kwa moda Noda Hotel Kumasi from Tech Road. Mr. Yankson, fantastic morning, Commander CEO of Nota Hotel, Mr. Yankson. I mean, in Shaupa, yes, I'm on fire. Sergio Manucho, Bernard Padibo, me producers, and your birthday, Mr. James Rafiakenten Furniture CEO, no, Akenten Group of Companies, Mr. James Rafiakenten, happy birthday. Nyamisha, Anton Kwanempa, no Akumasobi Sadibia, Onye Enfa, Emma Kai said. O de nankasa beka kejwane ho ereka se edu boni koso a na hwebe dwam ye de apomode won samo to aso